Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials, an HTML file and an element to style. First actionable step, open the element tag and add a style attribute. Type property names, a colon, then values for example color, blue, font size, 16px. Once done, save and open the file in a browser to confirm immediate changes. Make sure to use valid CSS properties and units. This direct method applies styles to that element only and overrides many external rules. Continue by composing multiple style declarations inside the same style attribute. Write each rule as property, value and separate with semicolons, for example margin, 10px 5px, padding, 0. Use units like px, %, m, and color formats such as #FF0000 or RGB, 25500. Remember the cascade. Inline styles have high specificity and will override many other declarations. Finalize by reviewing each inline declaration for typos and correct units because invalid properties will be ignored silently. If you need the same styling on many elements, switch to a class instead. Inline CSS is best for one-off exceptions. Once everything is set, test in different browsers and devices. If changes don't appear, clear the browser cache and inspect the element to see which rule is active. If a rule is still not applied, check for important or higher specificity selectors, overriding your inline style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.